what kind of what are the brands that McHales carries, cabinet lines?
Well, we work with Craftmade, and we also have Wellborn and Ultracraft, and all three of them are very good lines. And we just have a brand new line we brought in, J&K, which is a less expensive line.
And
I think you have something like J&K, don't you?
Yeah, we have Fabuwood, which is a cabinet line that's the parts are made in China, but it's an American company, and things are assembled in the United States, built in the United States. You know, some of these cabinet lines assemble and make pretty well-made cabinetry for very reasonable amounts of money.
Yeah, and I think it all depends on the client's level of taste.
And
some clients are going to want the high end, right?
And also, the more complicated the kitchen, the bigger catalog and the more customization you need. So you probably end up being in a more expensive cabinet line. How about construction? Are there construction features that you think are particularly important in cabinets, or?
Well, I think all the good cabinets have the right drawer box, because that's what takes all the abuse. The doors and the drawers are really the operating parts of the cabinet. So the hinges, we use all cabinets that have Blum hinges, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much all the cabinets we sell are same Blum hinge and Blue Motion
tracks
on the tracks in the drawers.
And for you watching, that's when the drawers close all by themselves once they get close enough. And the hinges on the cabinets self-close, so people aren't slamming the doors and beating up the joints in the doors. And the drawers are all dovetailed on all four corners on every cabinet we sell.
Yeah, same with us.
Yeah, it's important to have all those quality features in the pieces that actually operate.
You know, one of the amazing things I think that the custom cabinets of even just 15 years ago don't have as nice tracks and as nice hinges as the least expensive cabinets that we sell today.
Absolutely.
So, you know, that part of our business has changed dramatically. The mechanized part of our business is vastly improved.
And everybody walks in and compliments her in the kitchen, so you don't have to spend the most to get the look that you want.
And then it doesn't really, I tell this to my customers too, it really doesn't cost very much money to make the cabinets well made. I mean, that's one of the things people so often will be compromising, will get IKEA cabinets or be thinking that they're saving a little bit of money, when in reality, to upgrade your cabinets to being a well-made cabinet is one of the least expensive things. You can spend 20 or 30 or 50 or 100% more on cabinets to get a particular style or to get a particular color. But to make a cabinet well-made doesn't really cost very much.
Sure, and if you get the cheaper cabinets and you put them in and they fail, you've got this expensive, incredibly heavy granite top sitting on it, and the tiles blocking that in, so you can't just take the cabinet.
Right, all your appliances cut into these cheap cabinets, and your whole, the bones of your kitchen are the foundation of your kitchen. And if they're not well made, if they're not going to last very long, you certainly haven't spent your money wisely, I would say.